Before starting today's topic, let us revise fraction. A fraction simply tells us how many parts of a whole we have. Look at the fraction 1 by 2. Now, let's take the steps forward. There are different kinds of fractions, and that is what we are going to study for today. Suppose there are 4 friends and they have one whole pizza. Now, how do they share this whole pizza equally among themselves? Yes, we have already discussed this in previous video. Right, they each will take one part of the whole pizza, that is 1 by 4. In the fraction 1 by 4, the numerator is 1 and denominator is 4. In this fraction, numerator is smaller than the denominator, and these types of fractions are called proper fractions. So, proper fractions are the fractions where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. For example, 3 by 4, 1 by 2. It is simply like taking out 4 chocolates out of pack of 5 chocolates, or taking one piece of chocolate which is divided into 4 equal pieces. These examples make only proper fractions because their numerator is always smaller than the denominator. Now, what if these 4 friends have 5 pizzas instead of 1? What will be the fraction then? Fraction formed here is 5 by 4, and this is an improper fraction. So, what are improper fractions? Improper fractions are the fractions where numerator is bigger than the denominator. For example, 10 by 9, 6 by 5. Confused? Okay, let's see how they will divide 5 pizzas among 4 friends. First, each of them will take one pizza, but still one pizza remains. Same problem which we discussed earlier. They will divide 1/4 part of the remaining pizza. Now each one have one whole pizza and 1/4 part of other pizza. In total, they each have 1/4 pizza, right? All these fractions are known as mixed fractions. So, mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 1 by 2 means we have one whole and half of other one. Now, let's move on another type of the fraction. Suppose each one of 4 friends have 4 differently sliced pizza and they took one piece of their pizza. Now, what part of the pizza each one of them took? Yes, right. First friend took one part out of 6. Second friend took one part out of 4. The third friend took one part out of 8. And last, the fourth friend took one part out of 2. All these fractions are known as unit fractions because the numerator of all these fractions are 1. So, unit fraction is the fraction whose numerator is 1, like 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and 1 by 2. Now, let's move on another one. When 2 or more fractions are given, depending on the value of their denominator, they can be termed as like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions are the fractions with the same denominator. For example, 1 by 8. 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 7 by 8 and 8 by 8. Here denominator of all these fractions are same and the fractions with different denominator are called unlike fractions. For example, 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 3 by 5, 5 by 6, 1 by 2, 2 by 3. Here all the fractions are with different denominator. Now match the following. Match all these fractions with the correct answer. So children, in the next video we will learn about equivalent fraction. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.